Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 12, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 12, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasa para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, April 12, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasa para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 12, 2024, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 25 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 64 million pesos for Friday, April 12, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of April 12, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.